In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Plus, and let me show you how to reset all settings on this device. So first of all, just open the settings, then find and select General Management, and click on Reset. Now tap on Reset All Settings, and if you truly want to remove all settings except those for security, language, accounts, personal data, and some downloaded app settings, just mark on Reset Settings. Then draw an unlock pattern just to confirm, and click on Reset again. Now just wait a couple of seconds until your device is reset, and that's it. Just give it a couple of seconds more. As you can see, the brightness is already changed. Now it will reset, and after a few minutes, maybe even just 1 minute, after a few seconds, you will be able to use your device as a new one, like with no setup included. And that's it. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.